Ghana for the go abroad na wakwata 20 years 30 years wunyan krata wa ware 3 still wanyan krata won to na social media kan kwasem mo na mo pa abroad ko me dagina me naso na me nsuro pin me say eni kwase ye de abotre kakọ
empanifo se amaga ene magahia eho no ene hu hoho Captain Koja Smart wa be reply Kevin Ekobedi Taylor efa ensem wa enra no Kevin Taylor be catch Captain Smart no wa be reply na face no Bemaba the man of the moment Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bones or the nsem bi abeto Ghana for anymore then so man wuchiri mo aha Penyah broken the best was any demo obe like video na that ma put subscribe button sound click notification icon of latest updates na be chere wa adwen dia mama e wo comment section let's about for share for Penyah bi ahwe let's start with Afrifa and share dan chebi asa ana eba say Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bones wanya scholarship to University of Connecticut in USC as alcohol no more alcohol school just okoya no Masters of Law ewo USC Montreal or the scholarship and after graduating from Gempa they say onya that scholarship no Emma media so just say obia afi Afrifa I say obia etwes Afrifa ebeba emu ho anabeka ya me bro video catch Afrifa was set up studio bi ewo US it is about 80% complete.
Precisely so. Tell them, pound for pound, oh hine. Welcome to the United States, Nana Pia. For the records, for the people, precisely so. Tell them, who speaks the truth. For the records, who fights for Ghana, for the people. For the records is where truth is fired like a straight shot. Not left, not right, for the people, for Ghana. We will not be silenced, cancelled or erased. We are the reckoning, are the reckoning. Rise up.
As a enchebiano obepa ho ntoma na se was starting the program no from USA Montana so e dia ma ye Ghana hanomo na busia afa na abrewa ayipuma kwamu Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bones and na no pia na me that 20th December 2025 year and I'm checking the fake page there for the record me call ya no that's Afrifa e din sembo emu ehwam abato Ghana for nyina ne say starting Monday ni show no for the record show na you say oye na de bia no Sunday na oye no Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, 3 days in a week no. Nyame do Monday dia no me no. Eye 22nd December. Exactly 8 p.m. sharp. Na Afrifa atenase. Ede program no mu pensim mu ebre Ghana for. Na you say enema bebre na egu apono so. Oh, enema egu ade edoso. Ediando Monday there, Afrifa or Juma pa because obetena the toso ache obi address issues ache pa because and some will go actually was address from Bokon Tower edibesi edisi budget no ready ye no ebesi sports levy betting tax person obosi that edibe bie mu no just say enema Afrifa be address in there say buburuja every Monday, Wednesday and Saturday 8 p.m. sharp Blakk Media channel YouTube eso never share for the record show. Say the am the bremono. Debiano mekoso asem. Our man is back. And he's back to stay. A whole US in the war. Ghana network say be do or you sure obi am go cutting if say no Ghana hanamo. Or ya no more cateno, no more interrupting network any other now no there. Full them. US in Montreal no Ghana Sam George any network to me. On to me enya na hwe. It now be back to back to back to back. Now let's go to Kevin Taylor and Captain Koja Smart. Concerning the arrest of Abu Chekano, Obakaya, Attorney General, Dr. Dominic Akurutenga Ayeni, Obe give out a speech, and our Chiremu said, Nanka Opesa or you know, principle of what? Reciprocity. Senka odi we air corner, na we so airba, etika all hand over Abu Chekano, Naga can overata airba. But can Ofratan and some enya falasa abe difficult with a sense say can Ofratan when yesika at what tebrisika aqua high top, you know, top lawyers USA open twitwa no enya falasa because of that no Captain Koye Smart clash with the state attorney general the arrest of Abutrika no so muja no if you can't bring Kenufrata to Ghana Hanum de ani munyai Abutrika say Captain Smart fire pie and I'm so Emma Blakk Rasta mo Kevin Taylor mo blasté Captain Koye Smart omo di nedjuma pa ama enzo hwa kata petebes omo do ma no eye ni bi pa na busa Captain Koye Smart say there be the din captain for a reason or no and a captain band no that's so bono it on now Emma Okatakyie bi a obi o TUS Montreal say onim the left from right say because am penny bi o TUS Montreal so any title just like that it dey be the on chance sir 80 Captain Smart Edison on Kevin Ekobedi television and say mo ka kire ni de
Tiemiye me won san krofo bi to concert and you about Abutrika asem na me kind of me dagina me na so me ye one person se me se broni person osisi bibini a wo ye me den me nsesa madwen Ghana for the go abrochire na wakwata 20 years 30 years wunya nkrata wa ware 3 still wunya nkrata o mto na mti social media kekan kwasem I am repeating without fear and favor mona mo pa abrochire ko wonza muni ma me ka cha mo plane enti mo ba so broni so me fa nya hwe me fanya he I keep telling people me nya me ma wa brochira ka me nkwa brochire because I go keep question kwada Ridge Royal me ho to me chance me kwa kwada Clearwater hotel in Florida me ho to me say me kwa Mississippi wo na wubuo enu ye wo adwen me madwe da mitrim no kwa me nkroma de no enti me no wo na wubuo me dagina me naso na me nsuo pin wo na wo pa America akọ enti kwai me say eni kwanse ye de Abutrika kọ ye fa Kenufrata mrade exchange because Bonibi and Chen Bonibi. Me can be o minsuro. One wa e kasa ina ye one wa Kenufrata titis kama omudi ye no nkeka kwa asem social media. Eti oba attack Captain Smart we are no answer o protect Kenufrata. Wo hu Ghana for hwe nyame betua ye nka. Ye so ya se Yesu ye bibini. And so you nyansa wo fom me say yen fa Kenufrata yen exchange Ken in Abutrika out. President John Dramani Mahama granting interview to BBC and CNN and na on numerate boni abrofo de dien yesika wawia time na president ekasa ansem no na de no person kire the person chance abrofo de sisi nya chente yeso sisi wo mbi men can say bokrono we say broni akunu no that is wrong because adia back one Nelson Mandela timi ye am ye hu yin say stay cool, live with your enemies because time will heal that wound. That is there. It's a philosophy, I agree, but se bibini di boni wo bibini krom na broni beba be fa na kwa date na bibini di boni wo bibini krom no dwane kotra broni krom on de fa ne ma what is social media na mo kan kwa asem and you think somebody care me I don't care. Look adie bako pe na me dwene ho and so man we be yi forget about the day you are doing and no asofo bi we me mo di no why popular kuta microphone jana so dem to concert njum we are no sa we are na to jakalolo me yesu na sofo bu atopa na niema me say esese yetena sene ye dwene hu yie wo kwa Burkina Faso a befia uranium na omoton no say omo de kwa man say dwa so na say omo ton no fan say 30 Ghana France say on na ye omo colonial master into France ba no afa no 1 cedi for 28 years France sisa uranium de koso kanea e France when tia $1 when tia £1 when tia 1 cedi when tia 1 franc when tia 1 CFA 28 years of society free so we are buying na wote so na wo bie wa no pe na France as sponsor military officers no motuwa buying na gu adelai are you thinking before her you enjoy this deception and na me try maybe started thinking and writing educational deception and moral deception Burkina ni Ivory Coast any Mali FNO the Nick because of the Nicholas Nayeti Africa me yama broni up slave trade in a there coswo if you guys don't know I am telling you but I swear on the last goddamn drop of my blood it will end it is very soon case closed What is about chatting kwa for 2 bini and so ma meeting how ma me jonso kra person obefa ne tawo what America kan kwa sem what broni 2 bini na boso so ayo tuaka na obetra what krom ha wo ma me jonso a wo say wo ma me jonso ye kan what land and jujaw enum gba and so ticket kra want me to makrum men can say Ghana for wa broche na tisa wo ba mo bi o ha mo ba kra mo kwa mo nkra because musika rasa eren kwa na mo buy $2,000 $3,000 Ghana need this car buy $100,000 what is $100,000 I'm lying what's up broche 20 years 30 years for a bank statement brand yan keka mo kra every year for 20 years e be do $50,000 ah ya come out you some akwatena brochire e boga na for table brochire so no mbepo mu kroma konwa di no be di hine mwa no bi apre abedi akonwa mebwa ebinu maka ho sika kro de beto ticket abakura be dum nkradura wu me na busu afo ese nto onya bi nto me I am one person who di matema na menyesika na nse mudi matema che tina ma sha ase sa no mesra ma bro yan mu nyame tamacho bro yan mu ndi matema menya do aba afode kutu se bam mu fi sa mu tibroni krom etu betumi aso mobile phone na China phone wa out America kwa to China phone untu to phone papa 4th grade phone at Hotland what 4th grade I hear them for that man phone out you can't hear them for a Jamaican say we are bro for phone no and I'm to ho I hear them phone out which abroche what dey draw no when you could to your mobile phone abaka kwasema che Ghana for ye etikrom ha enwa akwa bi hwede nimne ne ho bi say jebe and Ghana got them bon ya te ase ye got them mu bon ye bete ya de and am tete Ghana na mu ina mo ya kromfo really wo papa ye kromfo binim je ti a Ghana ni asori fi a Ghana ha kwatena brochira na dwe ye ne say ye ya ka wo krom ha ina sabio ye nyanya safo na muti abrochire ho na mudi atem because of abotrika say mo support Ken of Rata oh abrochire for say salam te ma say da kan bom say da be ya Ken of Rata ho beto no because no chase kama mo ma say okay land in video bi na ba ya na no mo kase sika na mo de bae no mo che ebinim kura nya bi meeting na se ye mabo e wo London what London wo che se ye be sister cities into pounds na de abrew wo kwata hokobo bra ben masa bra na be zoom lion me jan se hunu na hotel London ho di no kwata am te Croydon hwe presenters be suro bia me min suro bia ya do baby as say Ghana for a wo krom. That is why I wrote about the diaspora relations and the diaspora conference beba so na do kra me trauma no kra went me anya diaspora conference na Ghana for wa approach na wo suade Ghana for wa approach wo mo fie nyansa Ghana for tie approach wo mo nimde wo de ba fie na wa to broni atwene enra sam yeah, maternity general no maybe ye no papa no mu hu o tsa papa shi me do nyame he attorney general no be heavy to tsa papa shi and me show be a neocolonialism and imperialism we share the posture as our support no hu ye mahi as I buy way through America. Meanwhile, what me at deport Israelis. Look. And me we a famous son me catch obi wa bonten was say Attorney General by press conference. I can't them. And now me can't Commander Sugar Factory. Me say, oh, I say, I can't. Na government issue press statement about Commander Sugar Factory. John Mama, thank you for asking people to listen, so you can take decisions. God bless you, John Mama. Me we papa me can. We born so I will give it to you. Between you and I, you know, say, hey, me meka. Attorney General behaving to Papa Shi.
Traditions of
make sure Attorney General will behave to Papa Shi and Mose Mboa. Asana no can never come do boy him. Yay. And why the catcher say court. Eh di asema obi antimi nka ho asem. Yet Chroma 2012 election petition. So your Attorney General or a law lecturer Mumusa no sanya papa shi adwen na dantima dentina na Supreme Court to point na yama NDC for address the media na MPP for address the media. What is the Attorney General talking about? Even if the apex court of the land allowed that, the apex court of adjudicature allowed that, the lawyer should address the media. What is the High Court? And who said that? Say case was court and can wasem. Kind courtesy, case study, Alfred Agbesi Woyome. Adelai, Woyome's case is still in court. Say me, why do we still talk about it? Yay! Look, Master Sophie say. What would deputy in Chenwa please resign and go?
Chirewadwe mame ewa comment session. How you Penyah Blakk Media? Accra.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!